Welcome all. Today we are going to learn the basics of R. We already learned how to download and install R for Windows. In this module we will learn what is R and how we can deal with R, what are the functions including in R, then how we can input data, how we can access data, and also indexing, and also the various operators in R.
To download R, search in Google Chrome for download R, or you can go directly to the site cran.r.org. Click the first one which is marked as red in oval shape, that is download R 4.02 for Windows. Recent version available is 4.03. You can download that. The procedure remains the same. Click download R 4.02 for Windows. By clicking, we can see that R starts downloading at the bottom left side. Once the download is complete, click here to open. Then click Yes. Next is installation process. Before installing, we need to enable certain features. The first dialog box appears. To select the language. By default, English is given. Click OK. Next is about the setup configuration. Click Next. Next, to select destination location, again click Next. Next is to select components. Here you have to select car files and 64-bit files by putting tick mark and click Next. Next is about the customization. By default, no is given. Click Next. Next, they will ask you which additional task should be performed. Here you have to select create a desktop shortcut and then click Next. Now you can see that the installation is under process, and after completion a new window appears. In that, click Finish. Then go to desktop and check whether R icon is there or not. You can see, or you can check whether R icon is there or not. Now we have completed the R installation and we can see the logo in the desktop. Thank you.